Franklin drove for 7 hours and traveled a distance of 385 miles. Assuming a constant speed, how fast did Franklin drive? The speed is also known as the rate. Distance equals rate times time. The distance is 385. The time is 7 hours. So normally we'd multiply these two numbers together to end up with the distance. But the opposite of multiplication is division. So if you take 385 and divide it by 7, you'll know that his rate of speed was 55 miles per hour. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.